Let us go then, you and I, when the evening is spread out against the sky like a patient etherized upon a table. Reference to the context. These lines occur in the poem The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, written by T.S. Eliot. It is a solely in the poetic form spoken by Prufrock, a character in the poem of T.S. Eliot. The character Prufrock is a bald-headed man of advancing age, but he has a young girl as his sweetheart. He lacks confidence in himself and hesitates to put the proposal of his marriage to the young girl for her consideration for the fear of its being rejected by her. A sort of bifurcation has taken place in his line of thinking at this juncture. At one time he is romantic because of his innate love for her, while at another time he thinks from a realistic point of view because due to being much senior to her in age he is not a suitable match for her. There is a struggle between his romantic self and realistic self. The former self encourages him to contact his young beloved and open his heart to her, while the latter discourages him. Explanation. The poet says that realistic self makes him aware of the possibility of encountering a tight and difficult situation if he reveals the secrets of his love for her, as it may annoy the girl and engage her to insult him. Nevertheless, his romantic self suggests a solution to the problem. The suggestion is that both the romantic self and the realistic self should make a united effort to face the situation intelligently to obtain satisfactory and successful results. The romantic self decides with the realistic self to make a concerted attempt to take him to her in the evening time when the atmosphere is serene and quiet, free from disturbance of busy streets, and there is a veil of darkness of the night. To suit their plan in the achievement of their goal set out before them. In such an atmosphere, Prufrock beloved will be like a patient made unconscious with other on the operation table. She will thus be in complete control of Prufrock to make and could her in the manner he likes. Critical note. There is marked contrast of age between the lover Prufrock and his beloved young girl. The lover is aged, find the girl loved by him is much junior to an age. The lover has not far expressed his love to her primarily because of the fear of his being rejected and insulted by her due to a marked difference of physical and emotional age standing in the way. The lover is facing a physiological and natural problem as to how to give an expression of his love to the sweetheart for whom he has innate love. The poet has composed esoteric poem where there is a psychological problem being faced by the lover and there is an internal fight going on in his romantic self and realistic self. The poet, with the flight of his imagination, has reached there where all doors are closed for entrance, and whatever he witnessed there, he has disclosed to us through the medium of this poem. The internal struggle thus going on results in a solution to the problem. The decision arrived at by the two selves, romantic and realistic, is that they both should make a joint effort